Hi there, this is Sarah, and I'm here with an exciting lesson about menstrual cycle. If you have just joined us, please watch the previous videos because it helps you to learn more about yourself and your body. To understand the menstrual cycle, it is important to know about the endometrium. I mean, the inner lining of the uterus that you will hear this name many times. Menstrual phase is the first phase of menstrual cycle. During menstruation, the endometrium sheds and causing bleeding. Some people say, this blood is dirty and blah, 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 but I'm here to tell you it's not true. It's just a normal blood. And it's similar, higher skin bleeds when it's injured. Phase 2 is follicular phase. After bleeding stops, the endometrium slowly starts to rebuild. And at the same time, inside the ovaries, as you can see here, several follicles start developing, and one of them matures enough and becomes dominant. Third phase is for ovulation. At this phase, the chance of getting pregnant is higher. The mature follicle, as you can see here, release an egg from the ovary. You also can see the egg here. At the same time, the uterus continues preparing for a possible pregnancy. I should say an egg survives for 12 to 24 hours after ovulation. If the sperm doesn't fertilize the egg, your body reabsorbs the egg. On the other hand, sperm can survive inside the uterus for several days. Let's see what are the symptoms of ovulation. Every person is different, but maybe some of you have no signs of ovulation. For those who do, common symptoms include tender breast, bloating, light bleeding or spotting, mild pelvic or abdominal pain, increased libido, sex drive, and mood changes and appetite changes. Last but not least is luteal phase. This phase lasts about 14 days, and an empty follicle becomes corpus luteal and reabsorb and disappears slowly. But look at the uterus. The inner lining, endometrium, continues to thicken. It seems the uterus cannot believe there's no baby. If the egg isn't fertilized, the hormonal levels drop, the lining sheds, and a new menstrual cycle begins. But let's see, if the fertilization happens, a sperm meets the egg. This is a sperm. Can travel to the uterus. Sperm meets the egg inside the fallopian tube, and they combine and made a fertilized egg. This fertilized cell travels to the uterus and implants inside the thickened endometrium, and pregnancy begins. At this point, the menstrual cycle pauses for about 9 months. Okay, this was menstrual cycle that we have just talked about. And if you have any question about this cycle, please ask me in the comments, and like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.